We're making some strawberry waffles today. I love the idea of a nice, crispy, steaming hot waffle with lots of whipped cream and fresh strawberries. I just love that flavor. Sometimes, you know, the simplest things are just the best. All right, so we're gonna take about half the strawberries and put them in a food processor because we're gonna make a flavored butter with fresh strawberries and black pepper. Kind of a cool combination. A little peppery, obviously, a little spicy. And then I'm also gonna take, this is actually framboise. It's just a raspberry flavored liqueur. And some sugar. We're gonna let this marinate. The sugar will melt. It'll actually make the strawberries taste even more like strawberries. A little sugar really helps the natural flavors of the fruits come out. So we're just gonna fold in the strawberries into our waffle batter after it sits for a little while. All right, so let's make the waffle batter. So we're gonna start with 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Nothing smells better than waffles. It wakes the house up if people are sleeping in late on a good Saturday or Sunday morning. So good. All right, baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon. A tablespoon of sugar. A little bit of salt. All right, those are our dry ingredients. And now for our wet ingredients, we need 3 eggs, a little bit of buttermilk, some butter, and some strawberries. We're making strawberry waffles, everybody. So you need 1 1/3 cups of buttermilk. And then a stick of melted butter, unsalted. That's gonna make our waffles nice and crispy. First, I'm gonna put the wet into the dry, just until it kind of comes together. You don't wanna overmix it. Want a nice tender waffle. Okay. So I'm just gonna try to take just mostly the strawberries and leave the juices in the bottom because we don't want to thin out our batter too much. And we'll put the rest right in there where we can make the black pepper strawberry butter. Again, we're just gonna fold this in. So we have some strawberries, some black pepper, and then just a smidgen of salt, and then 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm gonna make this beautiful flavored strawberry butter. Just gonna put a little bit of honey in here. It's gonna help to smooth out this butter. It will bring out the flavors of the strawberries even more. All right, good. So I'm gonna grab our strawberry butter here. And this is what you're looking for, you know, a nice smooth consistency with a little black pepper in it. That's exactly what it's supposed to taste like. And it's a good thing to serve at room temperature because you want it to melt really nice and easily when you put it on top of those hot, crispy, crusty waffles. All right, speaking of waffles, let's get some waffles in the iron. You can use some butter. I actually like to use like a good canola spray, just a little bit. Don't fill them up too much. I don't like my waffles to be perfect squares. I like them when they're weird shapes. Just gives it that really sort of homespun look to it. You know, somebody didn't take these out and put them in a toaster. And really what I'm trying to send home here is this is all about the strawberries. We want to taste strawberries through the waffles, on top of the waffles. Every time like you take a bite of something, you want great strawberry flavor because that's just gonna make this dish so much better. All right, don't touch the waffle iron. My waffles are about to come out of my waffle iron. I love this moment. Please be nice and crispy. Yes, look at them, they're so beautiful. You see how they're kind of like weird shapes? I love that, okay? See how nice and crusty they are on the outside? It's all good. Oh yeah, looking good. A little bit hot, it's okay, that's what we want, hot waffles. We don't want cold waffles. I'm gonna take a little bit of my strawberry butter and start to melt right away. So what I do is I kind of tuck the strawberry butter right in there. Put a little bit on top so it starts to melt. More strawberries. Those macerated strawberries, beautiful. Just gorgeous. A little bit of that powdered sugar. Even supermarkets these days are bringing in fresher and fresher produce. So go to the store, get inspired. Like for me, I see beautiful strawberries, I think about what I can do with them. Can I make a cocktail with them? Definitely. Can I put them on pancakes or waffles? Absolutely. And it just really livens up your classic waffle dish. And then this is fresh whipped cream with lemon curd, which is like a lemon custard almost, and some lemon zest. You can get this recipe on the website. All you need to do is go to cookingchanneltv.com and go to our brunch page. I love the idea of lemon and strawberries together. And of course, what's wrong with a little bit of whipped cream? Look at that waffle. Come on. You want to put some mint on there, you can. Actually, I don't think we need it. The amazing aroma of the strawberries are incredible. The crispiness of those waffles. That's strawberry brunch heaven right there on a plate. Fantastic. And the lemon and the strawberry go so really nicely together. Those are dangerous. Good stuff.